Hey everyone, so today's mudra meditation is the TriMurta Mudra, and it looks like this. So basically you're putting the tips of your thumbs together and you're creating this triangle, and it's going to be placed at your pelvic area. And this is good for cultivating emotional support, emotional awareness, equanimity and balance. It's also good for menopause, for fertility, and other pelvic issues. So really good for women as we go through the many stages of our lives. So just close your eyes and take a deep breath in and hold that mudra at your pelvic area. You can lie down or sit up, whatever is comfortable for you. And just let that breath out. Take another deep breath in and sigh it out. Just relaxing your body, relaxing your mind. And allow your breath to flow, allowing that breath to move that energy to the mudra, flooding the pelvic area with a beautiful light, a healing light, intending to heal this beautiful space, healing and harmonizing this beautiful area, moving the energy through the mudra, through your pelvic area, healing and restoring. This is a very sacred space, and it should be treated as such. And when we treat ourselves with that love and respect, when we pay attention to what our body is saying, what our body needs, we are respecting ourselves. And continue to allow that energy to flow into that area, through the mudra, into the reproductive area, into the pelvic area. Honoring this area, treating this area like it is sacred, because it is. This body is sacred. And the more that we hold reverence for ourselves, for our body, and how it functions, the more that we will respect it and give it more love. And give ourselves more love. So just continue with this breath, continue with this mudra, allowing the breath to flow. Sending love and light and healing to this area, to the pelvic area, through the mudra. Now you can stay here as long as you like. Or whenever you are ready, just begin to rub your hands together and place them over your eyes. And then open your eyes and remove your hands. Thank you for being here. Namaste.